was my grandmother's recipe and it's everyone in my family's favorite.
Hi! Today we're going to make some chocolate chip cookies. And this is one of my favorite recipes. So in this bowl already, I have 1 1/4 cups of brown sugar. And now I'm going to add 3/4 cups of sugar. I'm going to add 1 1/4 cup of shortening, and I've put this plastic in here so that it's easier to get out and it doesn't stick so bad to the measuring cup when you're trying to clean it later. 1 1/4 cup of shortening. And then with that, we're going to add 3 eggs. Okay, now to finish this part of the recipe, we just need 1 1/4 teaspoons of vanilla. So here I have my vanilla, and we're just going to measure out 1 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, now these are all of the wet ingredients, so we're going to blend them all together before we mix the dry ingredients together to add to them. So, this is the first part of the dough, and all of the liquid ingredients. So now, in this bowl, I have 2 3/4 cups of flour, and to that I'm going to add, in this bowl, I have 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda and 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt. Now add all those together. Okay. Now, little by little, you want to add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Here is the final dough before you add the chocolate chips into it. Now we add 1 cup of chocolate chips. Here is your final chocolate chip cookie dough before we get ready to put it in the oven.
Everyone enjoys eating cookies. Now you have a new recipe to try, so you can enjoy these delicious cookies also.
It might seem crazy what